Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to cover the topic which is more on the function arguments and return values, right, in Python. So in the previous chapter we have learned about how to define a function, right? So we'll simplify this more. So it is very easy and it is important, it optimizes your code. So let's say I want you to greet, like, let's say 100 people in your program. So do you write 100 times a print line? No, right? So what you would do is, generally you create a function and you will send a, let's say, a parameter name, right? An argument name into the function. So let's do something like that, right? Let's say I take a function, I create it name, right? This is how you create a function, right? Then I print hello and name, right? When we run this, we can greet also, right? Greet, let's say Jason, right? So hello Jason, right? Hello Jason is printed now, right? So what we have done here is, we've this is just an argument, it's just an information you send to a function. So here the name actually goes in and the function uses it here, right? So now let's say we have to give something back out of the function. Now what if we don't want to just print it, we want it to use it, like that greeting somewhere else, right? Let's say. So that's what a return thing does, right? A return keyword in function. It sends a value back. So what we are going to do is, let's say we'll create it in a, I'm going to create a new function altogether. And let's see how this goes. Let's say we make a greeting and the argument remains same, colon. So here is what I'm doing is, I'm returning hello, comma, plus name. This is the name, right? And message could be make underscore greeting and call it Jason. Then we can do more things, right? We can print the message. We can also do message dot upper. So it will convert that string from lowercase to uppercase, everything in uppercase, right? So what we have done now is, like, we have saved it in a variable and we can do anything with it. So print is just going to print it, right? And return is actually going to return this value and assign it, right? So let's run it. So if you see, hello Jason is the one, and hello Jason, it came in uppercase, right? That's the output. So one simple way to understand this is, right, arguments are nothing but data that goes in, and what is return doing is, return is more of a data coming out. So what I want you to do is, try it in a very simple way. Write a function for addition of numbers, take two number and return their sum, right? This is how you are going to learn. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you in the next one.